How to get unrestricted on Wizz. Now there are multiple ways for you to be able to get your account lifted or get to your account unrestricted. So the very first thing that you want to do is to use any reliable VPN that you want or you can use. So there are tons of amounts of VPNs right there that you can use, and it is 100% useful. So what you want to do is just access or open up your current VPN and make sure that you are changing your VPN from the current VPN you're in right now. Now once you have changed it, try to access or pull up your Wizz account and make sure to check if it is already unrestricted or not. Now the other thing that you can do is try to log in your Wizz account to a different device. Now once the issue is still persistent, then our last resort is to contact the customer support from Wizz if you really have in mind that your account was not appropriately got restricted. So once you're here, just go directly to contact us. You visit the wizzapp.com's official site, post up your name, your email address, and select who you are. And you just have to be specific on this detail area right here or the message area right here so that Wizz customer support will surely understand it why your account was banned or got restricted. So just choose on these two boxes right here and click on submit. So again, those are the troubleshooting steps that you can do for you to be able to get your account unrestricted on Wizz.